I so everyone says ChatGPT understands through backward propagation. But what backward propagation is and what makes backward propagation work, and that we are going to learn today. That is chain rule. Yes, I'm giving you one diagram where you can understand. So say you can see right now. So there is the first input. We ask a question and then there is a result. In between there are two layers, L1 and L2. So once we ask a question, ChatGPT directly doesn't give the answer. It goes through a factory of layers. I have just shown you two layers, layer 1 and layer 2. It Our input goes through series of layers and then it reaches the final result. This is the structure. I'm giving you one simple analogy. See, a war is happening and we need to deliver this message to the king. Now in ancient time, how this message used to travel? Through messengers who are going through different, someone will run, then someone will take a cart or somehow, and 5, 10, 100 people will be there in the queue and they will pass this message. And now the last person who went to the king and said the message, now king is angry. Now I'm asking this question, who will understand and who will really understand that king is angry? Who? The last person who delivered the message. Now flip this analogy into AI model. Here, the war, where the place the war is happening, is the input, and result that we have to deliver is to whom? Is answer is the king. And the message we are delivering is what? The error. Through each person have certain biasness, certain error, and they are propagating that error, and finally it went to the king. Now king is angry. Who understands? Last person. So this person are layer. So war is the input, persons are the layers, and king is the final output, and the last person understands what is the error. Now comes how each and every person, means each and every layer, will understand that what is the message or the error. And this concept is nothing but backward propagation chain rule. Yes, chain rule. Each and how it will work. Let me show you the diagram. Here, you can see. So this person is, you know him. So he is the chain rule. And now you can see the output here is the king. Now LOL is nothing but the error. It is going through last L3 to L2 to L1. This is how the error propagates. Now you understand what is chain rule, what is backward propagation, and what actually happens. And this is the complete flow. You can see right now, the first, what happens? Prediction. When we give some input to our LLM, LLM doesn't give the answer. It predicts the next token. So prediction happened. See, second, you can see loss. You can see. So there is a loss. There is an error. Now comes the chain rule. Chain rule will make each and every layer to learn. And then at the end, the answer becomes better. And this process keeps on repeating 100 times, 1,000 times, million times, billion times, ultimately it becomes almost 100%. That's so simple. Now you can understand what we learn. Derivative tells the direction, in which direction it should move. Now, second, gradient descent, it tells where to move. The loss function, it tells how much the error is. And here the chain rule tells each and every layer to learn from the mistake. And if you understand this four thing, the whole AI process will start making sense. So thank you so much for being there till now.